Shakara is singing a different version. I beg. Don't, Shakara, please.
Crazy, but baby,
take it from behind.
From behind.
Kiss Daniel, you know, yeah, Shakara is spoiling your song. And in case you don't know, I don't say Kiss Daniel. I say if you are bearing the name Kiss Daniel, you must know how to kiss. Don't just bear my name.
You know they see the boy lips. But I discovered say most of these boys, especially the young ones coming in, once they get promo copy, we don't they pick. They don't go Ikeja under bridge, go scrape lips. And they do it. As the pastor Ikeja under bridge, they tell me, say, bros, pink lips, tattoo, pink lips. The boy hold his oblate. I say, hey.
So you mean so why when Melvin come, you know, ask Melvin.
Oh, Melvin, ask him now. Melvin,
no, Melvin, I just bought a picking now.
Hey, if I hear that lips. Okay, now welcome to our own favorite midnight show, the only show where you feel sit down, watch and not get day, but you go day okay. You feel use soap, anything, no advice why they give you. But at the show where they help you arrange your relationship. This one that be BOBOS YARN, and we have been saving relationships since 2014. I get my regular corporate inside the building, Shakara, MC Shakara. How you doing?
Yeah, you happy over today. You know, see, as we enter the bar today, you see, let's say one babe strand.
Why they call it babe stranded babe? I don't like this.
You know, say now two things will happen when you enter bar. You see, get sit down and say that the date come
or the date no come.
It no come, you understand? So the way this one sit down, it be like expensive. The guy come, remember not those ones where they meet online.
Online, the guy come see her from far.
Come see her from far. Say, but this one too cold.
Now the guy wrong. And our bar they very expensive.
It's very expensive.
Very expensive.
But we were up to the tax.
No, we are taking care of
it. Baby, come and sit down.
What Shakara they try to tell us, they say we have rescued somebody.
Yeah.
One of the ladies from the blog. These girls they can talk. Now, we do not realize or know that this girl, the enter bar, she says she called to give her CD. Na lie, say na rapper. Did you know the girl, the rapper? Whether na Igbo, she the rap, we don't know, but na rapper.
Or she the tie rapper.
Yeah, all of them, all follow.
Rap is rap.
Help me welcome the girl we are going to rescue today. Kel! Oh, yeah. Kelly, baby. Kelly is in the bar. You have to explain why were you alone
for the bar?
You know, say sometimes you just want to work out by yourself, you know, just have 1 or 2 drinks. And you know, say these days now, if you work out with, you know, una plenty, like maybe like 5 girls work out. If one guy they are, you go to fear to come say hello. So sometimes just work out by yourself. So that guy, you know, we just say that corner, you go just say, oh, hi.
So this is the secret to how ladies do.
Yes, of course.
Guys, are you hearing? You have Kel will reveal more.
That thing we talk. You know, say if like 5 girls or 3 girls, then you call one, we find. The one we walk past, then go say, please let's go. That's how I used to do. Please let's go. Who don't know about these boys?
That's why. If you ever want to catch the fine girl, go to the ugly one first. You go make friends with the ugly one, you understand? That one can't say, oh, it's so nice.
It's going to be your friend.
You can't use that one. But they come backfire after. Yeah? You know how they backfire? When you can't say you can't dwell long on that one. Then after you they show interest on the, she's gonna say you be heartbreaker. Say now how you first show interest.
Like, so you want to scope my friend? She no agree.
You understand? You need to know how to do that.
We go do that. That thing in they call a pigeon move. You just need to patch, and then you take off.
Shakara.
You know, pigeon move. When you don't say pigeon, where pigeon they patch, nobody there they still. Now in your day they take observe where to go then.
Nobody to come go shit for church.
Nobody say be pigeon. You go patch there. Come there. No. You better move.
Okay, our topic for today was 1 year because Kel dey here. I want to talk plenty. One no person we know they always put a partner picture for DP. When we get all this BlackBerry big. You want one no? He really love her, man. You know they put them on social media. The love did that thing or not? I want just know. Mona help me chook mouth. Our social media did there. You can still comment even afterwards. We go see with them. I will talk. Kel. We want to know because I know you are a lady. We don't
want to take happy because from the blog, social media,
they are always there. You know,
always there.
Kel,
so in fact, today we'll just relax like this.
Let's just relax.
Okay, so
tell us.
Make I don't like lecture.
The guy did always put them.
So wait, wait. I talk from guy and girl perspective.
Good.
Because I know some guys too. So if na new relationship. you know, go too one rush, put them out there because you know as they take B. You know, when you just start to date one person, you put their picture there, one person will come claim from nowhere.
Say
I know this guy now, this. Meanwhile, na lie that if they lie, you.
Not true.
And again, if the relationship no come work out, it's gonna be like, this is only put picture before you no come put them again.
So
if
you know
na
what?
new
You know what?
relationship,
You know what? Top shame.
if na new relationship, you just keep them for one corner. Then some people just
No, wait. How long that relationship go be new? How long? Because no new. These guys they like 1 year than you.
no, like maybe like 6 months.
Okay.
6 months never qualified to enter DP yet.
6 months.
No, 6 months. No,
from 6
after
months.
6 months, from 6
Okay.
months. If
That's-
they use
that's
DP, you
probation
know,
period.
they put Instagram.
So if the guy,
you know,
no puts your picture after 6 months.
be like say you be side chick.
No.
Really? But some
But
people
funny
don't like
enough-
social media.
Funny
all
enough,
those-
let me tell you.
No, I tell you something now. See, don't be say you go to put the person picture every day, but at least one day, even if you do all this woman crush Wednesday, put the girl picture there once now. It don't mean anything. Just put that once.
No, but you see, it's all like me. I believe, say, you know, suppose I know anybody even know the girl I want even settle down with. I prefer
But
to,
that one self,
to
that one
just
self,
keep am on the
to
very.
just code am until maybe ring don't even date the girl.
So
hand,
because
then people go
because I
know.
don't hear girl to tell me say you don't love me, you don't this because you don't put her on top. Someone like
forget
Shakarana, do you expect Shakarana with the you know Shakara hands are very full.
I can't say my hands
Wait,
full.
man,
You know,
talk
say,
now.
Wetin
Okay,
your hand
man,
full
talk
with?
now.
If
Wetin
I
your
You
hand
don't
full
have
with?
money now. Talk about money.
Stop it.
No, it's money I'm referring to.
But the truth be say, you no get how, except you are not on any social media platform, you know. But if you did, you no get how you go love person.
For 6 months,
Wey be
at
say
least once
you no go
picture
put the
go
person.
enter
No,
now.
let me tell you.
Because what you talk now,
No,
say
you
know
can
you
put-
want code. All those people they code.
You talk about say at least your once Phoebe say birthday. Phoebe say maybe
I
your
know they talk birthday, which birthday na regular
I
thing.
mean, at least maybe after maybe once every week you suppose they put up the person.
Once
wey-
every week, kilo day, wetin happen now?
Oh.
Now you first love.
Okay, so for a girl now, I dey date you now. Please, when do you expect her supposed to put your picture
See,
up?
the thing is, if you put am, if you want, if you dey put am once every week, it concern you. But me, I think say dey too much. You know, I no go dey force you say put my picture. But at least I dey talk maybe once in a while, even like maybe twice a month or something. Just randomly, just shout out to you.
But you know,
how
wetin
much I
make me
appreciate you or
understand.
something.
Yeah.
The only thing, because I know some people we know they freak about anything, BBM,
Social
Instagram,
media,
all those
yeah,
things, you understand? If you be that kind of person, then with the date, me, I go understand, so okay, be that kind of person.
which kind of person you be?
Me? No, me before, you know, say me, I don't be social media person, you know.
But now you don't be.
Now, force, you know.
Okay, but now
based
you
on
are
the
saying
kind
you
job what
are,
they
you
do
are
now.
telling them that you are now a social media person, Abi?
By association, no.
Yeah,
Not be by
okay,
choice.
no, but you
if
are.
You, leave, you know, say if you leave me, I don't go reply. You know.
Yeah, I
My
know.
message, you got to pick deep, you know, go change.
No, Shakara, but
understand?
you are now a social media person, Abi?
By association, I dey try.
Why you dey try with? By now you are, Abi?
No, besides,
That is not
Why you dey try one? Are
dey
you
do
a social media person
you
now?
don't mind now, me walk.
I don't want me won't curse you. If I
I
feel
am.
curse you, you are now, man. When we come back for this, then we come back, we're going to deal with Shakara and the social media status. What looking for take see who dey on top in deep, you don't go anywhere when they come back.
That does not mean that you no love am.
I no mean say you no love am now.
Not really. E no be like that.
Some people don't like to put their personal life outside like that, you know. Some people, they just feel like private life should be remain private. And for some people, some people they allow am, but for me personally, I no go put her.
If I don't put my girlfriend picture, do not mean say I no love am.
I mean say no love am o. That person a cheater. And if they get some things wey dey that kind person mind, wey be say his partner no know.
Okay, you don't hear our men them for top street. We don't talk about the matter. Say guy or babe when they put in partner picture for in DP, for Facebook, for social media, for anything. It means say you love them or not. You say if they chook mat on top of our BOBOS YARN, on top Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anything where you like. If they see they show for that screen there. But I still want dwell on top Shakara if I come care. Because Shakara now don't agree, say him now na social
And
media.
you force me agree.
Me force you.
Because I be no agree. Because now as I can't look my phone now, look my DP now. I
You
can't
can't say
shame.
na who?
My friend,
Nedu, na yesterday
we
on
do
top of-
birthday since yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday my
Nice day.
DP. See am.
Shakara still get Nedu for a DP, no
Since
problem.
yesterday.
My-
So not be by
So,
force.
but wait now, but you don't agree, say you are a social media person.
So
But Chakara not too dey social media like that.
not
I dey
too
follow
dey
her for
serious
Instagram.
now.
I not today see
Ide!
post.
This is, I'm telling you, here we reveal secrets. You
How
see,
they do?
you've agreed now.
What's it?
Because why are they talking? We say now we want you to be able to always put up your girl. We never see you put any girl picture up.
Chakara get girlfriend.
Oh, thank you. So please.
Shaki.
We are not here
Yeah,
now.
another news.
Wait,
Yeah,
Kel,
let me tell
please.
you. Wait.
Continue, please, Kel. Kel, want to explain to
I
us?
tell you, and I don't say,
Yeah.
do you believe in witchcraft?
It's here.
No, this
Okay.
another angle again. No.
Okay.
You get some people I don't meet person where say lie. That one inborn. You understand? Now you gonna say we no come in. I say I don't see anything. Even for BB I don't see your pikin say you don't born.
Don't born.
He say God forbid bad thing. Say pikin we don't born make up for DP. May winch there. No be joke. Oh.
No, but
You understand?
people, yeah, people they wait.
It's
So
when
when
they
you
use the
come carry
pikin.
the pikin.
No, with the picture. You understand?
Oh,
You
yeah.
put up your picture.
I don't even subscribe to the fact say you just born pikin, you begin to put the picture up. No.
I know people they hide
I
that.
know
Until
too.
the pikin not old, people know they
I
like.
dey see some parents now we go just carry
Okay,
pikin.
that one, if you have a relationship, make somebody witch your relationship, carry on a two picture. Because I don't know the girl, like me now. Like me now,
So,
if you
wait,
want wish my girlfriend.
now your reason now be that.
Shaggy.
Chook my put up.
Wait,
You know
which
reason
week
like
at
that?
you?
No,
Which week at
I dey
you?
come. Say person carry your girlfriend picture
If
from
Shakara puts a girl, any girl with you, picture up, even witches go agree, say finally, we don't see person where this guy get, make him marry. Put somebody up. We don't know any girl.
There's witchcraft.
Between non-stitty,
If to say I
hold
get
on,
you, I don't want to live in
non-stitty,
But Shaki
Eh,
get girlfriend.
Now no one
Thank
believe
you.
in witchcraft. If I get
Answer
anybody,
question, you
Answer
get
question.
if I
girlfriend.
get anybody
girlfriend.
number from
Can I
Benin,
ask you question now? You get girlfriend?
no, see, it's girlfriend everything. Girlfriend no be the ultimate thing. You should ask me if I have Jesus in my life. Do you know Christ? No. Do you know Christ?
Shakara? Shakara, but you say one marry. But you say
You
one
should
marry.
ask me how
But you
much.
say one marry this year.
If I have investment, if I have money in my account, in my Swiss account, is there money in my Swiss
Who
account?
want enjoy all those things with you?
No. Don't ask me
If you don't feel
those things,
enjoy with somebody.
no, if those things come.
Okay, sorry. Do you have any ashawo in your life? Is that what you want more? People ask you, do you have? Back to you, Kel, abeg. Because me, I know the Shakara no go answer this. Shakara can never put any girl's picture up unless na birthday. And things. So imagine you can't date someone like Shakara now. As your boy.
Which can happen anytime soon.
This one will kill you.
Something must kill a man.
This one,
Something
Kel
must kill a
will
man.
kill you. Fair, because Kel don't only mean you say put picture on DP. No. You all this way they work out and down, they say where you did. You say you know they around. This girl looks like someone.
work out together
You know
now.
the girl be like person wey be say she always want a man.
Very understanding. This kind gets forget.
No, man, tell you.
See, let me tell you.
See, man,
if you don't marry all those, it gets to
you want tell me care? I don't care pass you.
Now me they tell you now.
Now me they tell you care now.
But now already talk. I'm saying if they travel, we travel together. Now weekend we
You see,
travel together.
care like
But weekday,
man.
I go day
Care
work.
like
Weekend,
Now,
we
no,
go
they
travel
walk. Every day
together
they
now.
walk now.
care
Time for work is time for work.
care like crank, you know. No be
Who no
say.
like cranky?
What's it be that?
Who no like cranky?
She doesn't
You
like
like cranky?
What's it be cranky?
You don't know cranky. That means you don't want
Who
boss
say no
yarn.
like cranky?
But you like cranky.
No, you don't be correct girl. You don't be correct girl. Me no like
When you
cranky.
like cranky,
Why
you
do
must
you
love.
cranky?
But
Why
you
did
love
they make
cranky.
your man there around?
Oh, I don't spoil for this show.
But yes, this is one question everybody answer when it
Yes,
comes to the
sir.
show.
You must. Do you like cranking?
Yes or yes?
No, it's nice.
So if your man crank you now, or you crank man, you can't put that for your status. Say, I just finished having a nice cranking time.
Why you go just put on for your status? What's happen?
He's showing that he loves you now. What's in there?
Which kind of love be that one?
Hey, so you know
Wow.
we put on top of your status say you just finished cranking your
No,
baby.
you get waiting some girls they write. You go no say na crank now they finish crank.
What did they write?
They get I don't forget. Get out of the right time. If you read that PM very well.
You go just say another thing.
Private trips.
Private trips.
Once you see that private trip,
So you go to that crank you.
you ping them no reply. Then after like 2 hours, 1 hour, Because say, hey, what? Okay,
But
nah,
I still believe Kel say he get how because you know say this thing about this DP or this phone thing they also help know when person really love you. If you dey crazy about person, you really love the person. I feel say
Make
you
I tell you one story because this thing you know really correlate. If person they put your DP there, means say they love you. So you get one guy at the date. Every day they put different guest picture. One day it go be one person birthday, one day it go be in just a show appreciation. Then he go come put my picture for me do too. Like he just a change picture. I come ask and say, "Wetin do you now?" He say, "I just see friends. No say just get many friends. So they always be there for ram. So you just guys appreciate them." I say, "Wow, man."
no, but na their birthday now.
But at the end of the day, I come find out say we no straight. You know they put legs down for house. So at the end of the day, even if say he put my own picture inside there too. They put other people's picture there too.
But if the guy
I am grateful to you.
But if the guy is steady,
Meaning, I am grateful to you for another thing.
if the guy is steady on your own picture,
That thing still not mean.
Chakara, a guy faithfully.
You know many people. You know people there that baby. If you get like 10 people for that baby, you can't get on that phone when they hide for one corner.
Now you dey think men no dey that bad. Now una na even dey that bad. Men no dey that. Chakara, I mean say a man now, you carry care picture that they put on your DP for 1 week. He did it maybe only once you change them. It means say you really love this girl.
See, man, I tell you, some people, this thing we can talk, some people are really
Criminal
or phone.
419.
You don't get, if she won't put guy picture for her DP, she can't delete her boyfriend. Her boyfriend are my friend. You know what I'm So when she delete her, she say her phone.
Yes.
Her phone format.
Yes.
She go react. He go do what he want to do.
Oh yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So
So I've seen it before. Yes.
she said the phone they give her problem. Now the guy called they think of buying new phones. Meanwhile the phone they go say the phone they say go for reboot. Say the phone they reboot. They call invite her.
And meanwhile, he get we get like 2, 3.
Now person where they get DP. Come where they get contact. Come call the guy and say,
Who be this guy?
Where
they your this thing?
Now so come to know what they happen.
Hey.
You shock.
It's no, because no be lie. I don't many girls don't lie about this thing. Say their phone they always get say virus enter.
My phone. Your contact.
Get mine though.
They do one now.
Hey.
So how do we now know when? You know what? We'll just go on this.
This thing weak you, Abi.
Because I want to say I want to know if
They really love you.
When we come back, we'll tell us see they won't talk for shit. We'll come back on top of this same matter. My BOBOS YARN no go anywhere. This night is your night.
No, I don't think so.
Not be say you no love me, sha. You understand? But if they put am before, you know they put am again. Go fit some man and say why you know they put am, understand? So that one doesn't mean that it's not love me, sha.
You love her now. It doesn't mean you put your partner picture on your DP before you go love am.
You love the person if you like is by your wish. If you like to put your picture in this thing you put. If you don't like to put, it doesn't mean that person doesn't love the person.
Okay, when I don't hear waiting our CCs them don't talk on top streets. Make I read waiting put on talk on top Facebook them. This one Grace Joshua Oluchuku okay, say no. It's far from that because that person should try once in a while. Okay. Benedicta Ederigo, is your message long? Well, I don't know if you read that one. It's too long. I go read Blessing Gozi. He said not really, but it counts. Samuel Georgina Oluwasewu say yes, so na true. Yes, so not true. So,
see,
okay.
Showman, it gets another angle where I want more look this thing from. Some people, nobody say they no love their wife. It depends on the business they do. Like, for example, show business. You know, say get some people will be say, nobody say that they date you. They know they date you. Maybe they even they married themselves. But just they see your wife. They make them no one even do business with you. You know? I don't know what. No. I'm coming.
I didn't hear that thing before.
No, show man.
they see your wife.
Now they tell you. like for example now, they invite you for event and then they pay you. You come with your wife. Another maybe the day to event, you call your wife, you understand? They're not just they comfortable with that. Your wife thing. Your wife should be your wife when you go out, go meet her. Not be say you they come now. Okay, today your wife for DP. Your wife here. Ah, guy, you understand? Maybe people they like that.
I don't know how you take consent them. The person not married now.
And you also get people when you say they don't give you business if you don't even they married and they even show. Yeah, you know, say this they also save your relationship. You get how some babes go no say amen.
This one is all about his wife. Even though your mind says they you don't want girl for them, but other girls will just be like, no near this.
Say this one love your wife every time, you understand? I don't say someone like you, if you marry, we know if you would not say you don't marry because you know to they put you're not a social media person like you talk and say you're not socially, so you're not gonna say put your wife picture up.
Social media thing.
Are you okay? I don't say you don't agree, but you must. I believe say if you love person, at least 7 days in a week, or if every day.
Okay, Ken, if you work for office, where we say hey, your boss, you know, just. The eye you sharp, but you know say this is what you won't do. You are working, and in there your BBM. You feel they flaunt your husband every time.
Go reverse the boss now. The boss every time you can't work, the boss will just the.
And then you know your boss also love you with that.
Not love.
He love you.
He won't crank.
He won't crank you. He get eye for you.
Not be love now.
Sorry, he get eye for you.
You know say it's not possible. Make person love somebody we don't marry.
Who tell you? What are you saying,
What did they talk?
What did they talk?
You cannot love a man, somebody that is taking. See, let me tell you.
Who is taking?
I'm telling
Who is taking?
Somebody that you know. Except you don't know.
Who is taking?
You don't know. Ken,
No, man,
if you know, let me. Like now, I know that this woman is married. I can't fall in love completely. You know what? When they say you surrender in love.
Now, wait. Why you get some girls where they date married men, they go date them like maybe 2 years. You think say they just did it because they feel like they don't fall in love.
No. They know
say this person not married. But you know say when you know when for your mind you go say this one not married, nothing will happen. But you go to follow them.
I don't tell you one
thing
thing
you know love don't tie you for them.
I have told you one thing about cranking. I know most married men, they always get one person regular. Cranker.
Okay.
Wait. Now, by the time you keep constantly cranking one person, you won't tell me say love no go come dey born. That's why if you look, if me and Kel now begin dey crank now today constantly, which I hope say if it happen, you go resemble. Why no go happen?
Hello.
You don't resemble up and down.
Wait, see what now I want to talk. I beg, when last or when have you ever come across a poor married guy where they date single rich woman? Understand? She's single, but she they poor in they poor. Understand? Come the data mass say what did the woman they gain from this married guy?
It's not sugar mommy now.
No married guy, yo.
No, the thing
he
is
had.
No. The guy old past the woman.
The guy na poor, but married. You see, they say you sometimes you find love in hopeless places. You don't go know. You don't go know. Man, tell you. You don't go know what. I don't watch movie where he say the stupid guy now. He just come to the. What they call him? Poor guy, but he come to the plumber.
Forget
now. Plumber. No, every American movie said now plumber. He don't get money.
But
he just come to the fix pipe, everything.
You know, say,
but the guy get hot body.
Exactly, the guy is fine, and then if they give the woman they like the husband no go there.
He don't go there.
Every time go they call him.
Oh, no play. He's a poor guy. So
he
gets some.
But married,
and then they can't crank. The guy can't give him pass the husband they give him.
So what will be your final take now? Kel, what will be your final? Wait,
you don't call away. No, what did they give him?
Cranky. Don't be so.
Yes,
so what's now your final take on this matter now? You go, what do you prefer? Make your guy they always put your picture or not?
No, I think if they always put my picture, I go they say for the back of my mind, I go say, worry this one. But I prefer that at least once in a while. Me, I'm not bothered about pictures.
Anything you say now
they
will
really
be held against you for eternity.
The room of
Yeah.
on
Me,
the bed
I
of
know they
Abraham.
do by force my picture every day, but at least once in a while, I'm gonna pop up now. Once in a while, I'm
And
gonna pop up.
you are not, you know, your
Oh
own.
my work. Oh my work. Shakara have show. You know, Shogbo.
I believe in one thing. They say if you love something there, somehow, you go always want to show off. Well, how you take water? Now say go take dua. From us and from Ogoweno Day here, from Kel and from Shakara. We'll see you tomorrow.